Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do an unboxing of a NiNjA blender. And I know this is a tech channel, but technically this is tech. So I got this on Amazon Prime. I think it's $59.99. And just want to take a look at it and see how it looks. And okay, so let's take a look here. It says best portable blending power, blast through frozen fruit and ice, smoothies, smoother, NiNjA's most compact and quietest blender ever. And blend and drink in the same cup. So you can actually use this as a cup, basically. If you want to go ahead and drink it, you can use this and take it with you. It's portable. So basically, if you're at work or on the go and you just want to you can keep it in your car or whatever, and you can always, if you don't have time to, make breakfast in the morning or a smoothie or whatever, you can take this as a tumbler and put it in your car and keep it with you. So let's go ahead and see how we can open this thing up. Let's see here. All right. There should be an easy way to open this without damaging anything. So I guess I have to cut this out. All right, let's go ahead and do it. Well, there's plastic here, there's tape. So you got to get rid of this tape. All right, let me go ahead and do all this and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. So basically just had to take all this tape off around here. They had a bunch of tape on there. I don't know why they put all that tape there. So, all right, let's go ahead and pop this out. All right, and instruction manual on how to assemble it. All right, so there's nothing else in here. And then in the box, you should get something to charge it. I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and pull this out. So I'm not sure exactly how or where. Okay, I see right there. So this is Type C. So you would just use your basically any Type C charger that you have, and you would just put that in here. So it doesn't come with its own charger, which is weird. But I think it's just, it's a regular charger that you can use. Typically any phone charger will work too. It's lightning, so it should be fast. And then let's go ahead and pop this thing open over here. Let's open it up here and take a look in here. I guess okay, so this is where they put all the stuff. So they've got the cable in here. So this is the Type C. And also we have, there's just the blender basically. So basically here it is. And then of course you can just remove this and then just put any of your smoothies or whatever you like to do, your fruits, your vegetables, your protein shake powders, whatever, and close this up. And then let's see if there's any power actually. So I'm going to test it later and then do a follow-up review. But I just want to see if this has actually any power to chop right now. So I think press for 30 seconds. Okay, so I think, there it goes. All right, let's stop it. All right, so you guys get the idea here. So basically you just put in all your stuff in here and then close it up. And then you can just tighten that up. And then what's really cool is up here, there's a piece that you can open up over here and you can put a straw in here, I believe. And you can drink out of that. There we go. Boom. All right, guys. So just let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget, subscribe down below. Until next time, stay blessed and take care.